Cryptocurrency, digital money that's changing the world. But what is it, and how does one even begin to invest in it? Cryptocurrency is a digital money that doesn't come from a bank or government. Instead, it exists on something called a blockchain, a decentralized ledger where anyone can see transactions, but no one can alter the history. People invest in crypto for different reasons. Some hope its value will rise, some want exposure to new technology, and others use it for fast, borderless payments. But it's important to understand the risks before jumping in. To begin investing, you first need a crypto exchange, an app or platform where you can buy and sell digital assets. You sign up, verify your identity, and fund your account before placing your first trade. Bitcoin and Ethereum are the most established cryptocurrencies. They represent large portions of the crypto market, but there are thousands of other coins with different purposes and technologies. Crypto prices can swing widely, making quick gains possible but also bringing risk of loss. Unlike traditional banks, there's often no safety net protecting your holdings if an exchange fails. Crypto isn't stored like cash. Instead, it exists as entries on a blockchain. What you really own are the keys that control access to it. These keys can be kept with an exchange or in a secure wallet, but security matters. Investing in cryptocurrency isn't a shortcut to riches. It's a journey that requires research, caution, and patience. Know the basics, understand the risks, and only invest what you can afford to lose. Your path to financial wisdom starts with informed decisions.